welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be spring cleaning our clothes. Some of you are probably thinking you spring clean your clothes, but really all this is going to be a massive declutter. At the beginning of the year, I did go through our closet and declutter it, but the problem that I have found is that if you don't get rid of enough stuff, you just can't seem to keep it organized. So at this point, it's like we have more stuff coming in than going out. So my goal today is to get rid of a third or even a half of what we currently have. If it's in really great condition, I'm probably going to list it on my Poshmark. If you've never shopped my Poshmark closet before and you see something that you like, then I'll definitely link that down below. This is not sponsored at all. I just really like Poshmark and I like putting my stuff on there. So if you're interested, you can definitely check that out. I will be doing both my husband and my clothes, which is going to be a task. Last time I just did mine and that was a task, but we're going to tackle everything. I want to go through our closet, our drawers, our shoes, our undergarments. I'm going through it all because I am just so overwhelmed with the amount of stuff that's in our closet. I have been really enjoying less stuff now, and it's just like the more things that I bring into the house, the more cluttered my mind is getting. I'm not going to say I'm a minimalist by any means because I love stuff, but at the same time, I just feel like I just need some more empty space to help my mind to be in a better place. I don't know. So today we're going to go ahead and jump on into all of the clothes. If you're new to my channel and you've never seen my face before, hello, please consider subscribing before you leave. Also hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from me. And if you enjoy the spring cleaning series, give this video a thumbs up. So today I'm going to be really honest with myself because there were a few pieces, there were a lot of pieces that I was holding on to that I thought that I would wear in the future. And I haven't worn them. So sadly, I'm going to part with those items today. I'm trying to mentally prepare myself for this. Does anybody else do this? I'm a little nervous.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable. At all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you think, and I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Told you I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds. Like helium. Like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. The sourness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. helium. tonight, but there's just one thing I need to wrap my head around. Yeah, I don't know if I can take another date and end up by myself. Make a move, it's time for you to step up. Yeah, it's now or never. Tonight better be the night. That we'll remember until we're in the ground. The thing that both of us will talk about when we're all sitting together. I guess it is our first kiss. Can't wait forever for you to take your time. I can't afford to take it slow tonight. Wanna talk about the weather? Let's do this. Our first kiss. Not gonna force you, but I will slap you if you leave me dry. Don't be so gentle. All the time, all the time. I think I've earned it for all the dates that have been good and fun. This is the first time. Oh, for us, that we'll remember until we're in the ground. The thing that both of us will talk about when we're all sitting together. I guess it is our first kiss. Can't wait forever for you to take your time. I can't afford to take it slow tonight. Wanna talk about the weather? Let's do this. Our first kiss. You gotta know that I'm into you, babe. Can't you see how we are always together? Hey, I know you're nervous, but don't talk about the weather. Just kiss me whenever. This is more tedious than New Year's and the ball drop. Light the fuse and let the firework jumpstart, and then you'll see what the fuzz is about, huh? Yes, tonight, night. All we need is to get to first base. So don't you run away. I want you to stay. Don't you see what we could be?
I am officially done. 2 ginormous trash bags and an overflowing hamper later, I am officially done. And these drawers look absolutely fantastic. They're like halfway empty, so I do have a lot of laundry in the dryer that I need to put away. Obviously, I'm not going to get rid of any of those because I'm wearing them. Hence the reason why they're being washed. I'm very happy to be getting rid of all of this. The ones in the trash bags are like things that nobody's gonna want, that are like damaged or something like that, so those are just going to be tossed. I also have another bag that I've already put away that we will be taking to drop off at one of those little like clothing pickup things. So I have a bunch of clothes, and then the hamper is what I'm going to be going through to list on Poshmark. Anything that doesn't make it on there, I will just donate that. But I am so happy. I am so happy to be done and to have less clothing in our closet. But like I said, if you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and come back for more videos in the future. I hope y'all have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.